is barely a teenager, but a 13-year-old Lethbridge boy is now on the verge of winning a major international competition.
The young genius invented a new kind of robotic arm, and as CTV's Brendan Miller explains, it could help make life better for amputees around the world.
Marin Schultz is just 13 years old, but he's already created this, a robotic hand. Using this headset, Marin uses his breath pressure to move his prosthetic hand. When he tilts his head, an accelerometer controls the wrist movement.
Most prosthetics are very expensive to buy, so with this new control system and the way I'm proposing to make prosthetics, it can be made at a fraction of the price.
Many of the parts of his arm were made with a 3D printer. In total, the unit would cost roughly $300 to produce instead of thousands. Marin became more motivated about the project after a one-handed boy tried his robotic arm at a science fair last year.
I let him try on the headset. He was able to close the hand with concentration. He got very excited and he was like, "Dad, I can close the hand." And it just made me realize, you know, I can help people and give them hope with this.
Marin is one of those kids who has a soft heart. His whole life he's been like that. He's been always affected by events around him. So if he sees someone hurting, he hurts. If he sees someone happy, he's happy.
He's always been a little different in some ways than other children, but with a huge and special heart. And just that he came up with an idea that could actually help other people and that he wants to do that. I'm incredibly proud.
Marin has won medals provincially and nationally for his project, and he's now a finalist in an online science competition, The Next Einstein, that supports ideas to help improve the world. Marin hopes to patent his idea and one day help amputees living in third world countries.
I think what's kept me improving them is that, you know, love of helping people.
Brendan Miller, CTV News, Lethbridge.